Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of MEI Pharma INC. Now if you are looking at this chart, one thing is very clear is a long-term base has been formed over here. So when I'm talking about long-term base, it is actually 8 or 10 years. Now a long-term base, beyond a certain time frame can bind a stock in between a range, or the range itself become range bound. Okay, so, or the price movement. So this is going to be a problem which the stock is right now facing. But anyhow, stability beyond a certain point or above a certain point is there, so that's what is giving us a comfort. So you have four important level, but most primarily 2.57 as your immediate support and $2 as your stop loss. Else you have two more to look at. You have 1.83 and you have 1.49. So these are also your important downside levels to look at as far as the support or stop loss is concerned. But better if you don't go below $2 and consider $2 as your support level. This is just for the sake of adjusting risk. You can't take unnecessary risk beyond a certain point. Now if the stock continues to sustain above 2.57, the next short or very short term target we have here is, let me show it to you. So the very short term target we have here is 3.38. So this is what we have as far as the immediate upside is concerned. But I think the stock has already crossed. This is not 3.38. Let me zoom this. This is 3.3. So the stock has already crossed 3.3. So this will again become your immediate support mark. But the level is so near, then we can't simply consider 3.23. So better use 2.5 as your immediate support and $2 as your stop loss. Now having said all these things, the stock slowly but steadily is moving towards its previous high, and because we are talking about the long term chart, the previous high is actually much higher than one can think, because the last time the high has been made in the year 2021 February. Prior to that, I think June 2020. So even the highs are quite a distance apart. So you have two different levels to look at. You have 4.43 and you have 5.1. This is 4.5 and 5.1. So these are your two different targets that you need to look at. And let me tell you, if the stock surpasses 5.17 or 5.2, it will be considered as a 5-year breakout or 6-year breakout, because after 2015, 5.2 is the highest resistance the stock has faced. So breakout above 5.2 will actually give us some decent space to run beyond the breakout level. So after 5.2, so now the levels will become conditional. After 5.2, if the stock continues, we will have 8.51, right? We have 8.51 as our immediate support, and beyond 8.51 we have three consecutive levels to look at, which will start with 12.7 and can go up to 14.2. And as far as the extension is concerned, so the big target that we are going to look at, is in between, or will be in between 19.9 and 21.4. So now the picture is clear in front of you what we are actually looking at. So we have some big levels to look at, but you have to wait, and most importantly, do not go below a certain level. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.